Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to free up space on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you can scroll down and go to device care, and now we can tap on storage. Over here you will find the summary of your internal storage. You can also swipe in order to see the memory card as well. You can also tap show more in order to find details about the internal storage, and not only that, also for the SD card as well, of course. Now, if you scroll down, then over here you will find some options that may be useful, like for instance trash. So if there is something that you have deleted in the last 30 days, you can actually free up space by removing these files permanently. You also have unused apps, so if you install apps and you don't use them at all, they will be displayed over here, and you will be offered to uninstall them quickly here. You also have the option to detect duplicate files, so if there are two identical files, then you can find it over here so that you can get rid of one. And of course we also have large files over here. Now of course most of the time you don't really want to remove large files just because they are large, but essentially if there is something that takes lots of space, then you can find it over here. You can select those files and then delete them or move them to the SD card if you have one. In addition to that, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and change the large file size, or what should be considered a large file size. We can change it to 25 megabytes, 100, 500, or we can set a custom size, and we can even switch to gigabytes instead, so that not everything will be visible over here. So these are the main ways to free up space. Of course, you can also go to apps. Over here you have your whole list of apps that you have installed on your device. You can tap on this icon over here on the right side, and now you can sort by size. And then if you press OK, you will find biggest apps first. So for instance, if you know that there are apps that you don't use at all, then you can just tap over here on the app, and then at the bottom you should have the option to uninstall the app over here. So this is also a great way to release the space and free up space. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.